don't see something. We don't wanna give nothing. I'm a Gemini, she a Scorpio, but that don't cross her mind when we on a cardio.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh.
Dear Lord, thank you for everything that you have given me. Thank you for everything that you continue to give me. Thank you for your mercy, your patience. I'm gonna head inside now and start my chores.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time.
So I'm heading out. It's been a productive morning. Guys, I am at a house viewing. I'll talk about it in another video, alright? You gotta stay tuned.
Take it with anybody but you. What was it they used to say? Seeking you will find. There is nothing in you that is fading. All you ever do is shine. You are brighter all the time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody.
Okay, so I don't know my thoughts, to be honest. I don't know my thoughts. It's a lot to process, and it's probably been like my second actual viewing. So I know that people have to look around and see what else they want out of life. I'm gonna still keep my options open. I'm gonna still keep them open. What did you guys think? What did you guys think? I also got this box, and in there is, oh my god, I'm a mess. Finally got back my one a day vitamins. I got this DHEA. It's supposed to be really good. And I got a black people swim cap. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Catch you guys back in the next video. I hope you have a lovely day. Until then, bye.